Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make this cool text in which the text tool effect in which the texts look like it's coming out of the background. So let's start right now. Type tool and write your text. Make it a little bit smaller. Hold down the Alt or Option key. Click and drag to make a copy of it. Select the first text, press I on your keyboard or click on the eyedropper tool and click on your background color to make it the same color as your background. Now select another color for your second or your copy of your text. I'm going to use this darker blue. Now you're going to select both of them. Double click here for the blend tool options. You want this to be on specified steps, and let's say we want our steps to be 300. Press OK, and now you are going to click 1 and 2. And this will blend your text together. You're now going to want to grab your brush tool and create the path you want your text to follow. So I want my text to do something like this. Now select both and go to Object, Blend, Replace Spine. And this is giving you a really cool effect. The last thing you want to do is double click, click again, Command C to copy, Command Shift V to paste. Or you can go here, copy, and then paste in place. It's this one. Anyways, you are now going to click on your color and make this a lighter color. And that's it. It's done. So easy, so fast, but so impactful. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this. Please subscribe, like, and comment if you want. If you have any suggestions or questions, feel free to comment below. I can make tutorials on your requests. Also follow me on Instagram where I post all my design work, and follow me on TikTok as well where I post these tutorials but in really short 1-minute versions. Have a great day. Bye.